Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to Square Invoices for fast customer payment links. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Shopify to Square Invoices for fast customer payment links, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the App Store within Shopify. Search for the Square app in the Shopify App Store. Once you find the Square app, click on it to open the details page. Select the Add App button to install it. Authorize the app by following the prompts to sign in to your Square account. Once authorized, return to your Shopify dashboard. Locate the Settings option at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, find and select the Payments section. Scroll down to the area for manual payment methods. Click on Add Manual Payment Method. Choose Square Invoices from the list of available options. Fill in any required information about your payment method. Save your changes to finalize the setup. To create a payment link, go to your Square dashboard. Select the Invoices tab from the main menu. Click on the Create Invoice button to start a new invoice. Enter the customer's details and the items or services provided. Set the payment options to include a link for online payment. Once completed, click Send to email the invoice to the customer. The customer will receive the email with a direct link to make their payment. Monitor the payments in your Square dashboard to track transactions. Now you've successfully connected Shopify to Square Invoices for efficient customer payment links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.